Douye Diri suwe me governor, no be mistake.
Hello, my people. Prosperity Governor truly in action. This one an update of the ongoing construction of Glory Drive Phase 3. This road now will go terminate for Igbi Junction, then also go link to Yanagwa New City. Of a truth, the governor, they do everything within his power to take help change the negative narrative about Bayelsa State. Bayelsa is becoming great again under the leadership of Bishop Dr. Ambassador Senator Douye Diri. God bless you, sir. The Commissioner for the Ministry of Works and Infrastructure, thank you. My people, now the work be this. This one at the area view of the road. The road they go. You know how much we don't enter this road? This road now don't open up this area. So my brothers and sisters, we want to invest for real estate, build company, make una take advantage of this environment. Very, very important because Bayelsa State is becoming great again. And the governor don't create ease of doing business for investors to come in to invest. Nobody go build our state for us. Now we go build them by ourselves. So therefore, make we know they publish bad thing about our state. Remember, say bank no like noise. That's the reason why each time you go bank, everywhere cool. So money not like noise. So anywhere noise day, people don't feel invest. I say, make I use this opportunity and I say, this work when they do, now from my heart. Nobody they pay me to do this job. And they move around the Bayelsa, they see different projects, different road they go on. And people they talk say the governor no they do anything. Now that one make us come pick up the challenge to begin to showcase the good works when the governor they do. So team go and verify. So nobody don't pay us. We like good things. That's why we they promote Bayelsa in a positive light. Make all of us join together to make Bayelsa great again. Remember, go and verify. I beg, watch this video. God bless you.
You are a leader. Let's come together. Make we pray to God. Tamara salako polede, kriya say mo dokumo. Oyin salako polede, kriya say mo dokumo. Ayi baget do bara eh. Nana we do bara o. Emba mo Douye Diri suwe me governor no be mistake at all. Douye suwe me governor no be mistake. Always say but say suwe me governor no be mistake. Nana we get do bara o. Douye Diri suwe me governor no be mistake. Douye suwe me governor no be mistake. Lawrence Orija but suwe me deputy no be mistake. Nana we do bara o. Jehovah get over eh. Nana we do over. If you believe there is God, don't challenge his will. He has put a stamp on it, you better obey the Lord. Douye Diri suwe me governor, no be mistake. Suwe me governor, no be mistake. Nana we get over eh. Jehovah get over. Fere, come on, pia si fa. Baliza sumudu ko babo. No be mistake ba me. Bene come on, pia si mo. Pia si come on. Bade tame tola fa kame se ni mu afa. Nana wake a Douye Diri, come to lay me barabas and bara. Nana wake a Douye Diri, come to bully my say, was in the bara. Nana wake a Douye Diri, come to tell me papa was in the bara. You back up for the move. Jehovah go for me. Nana wake up for the move. Kora kwao. Bine. I be
Diri.
Look your way, I talk at me out.
Hey, your boy.
Talk about a ton one and Douye Diri get by us as state to governor so marathon wearing my boot. Talk about a ton one and Douye Diri get by us as state to governor so marathon wearing my boot. Talk about a way wearing it. Florence or Jack, but they put this woman marathon wearing my boot. Are you back at over? Nana, wait over out. Jova get over out. Nana, wait over out. Carry go. Can I get one more?
Basabra.
It was a state of Malaraba. Development of back of the sober fado. If you know you are a leader, let's come together. Make we pray to God. Tamara Salago Pole.